Look at that. Look at this. And there's more damage everywhere. I'm assuming further in my yard is more damage. On the side there's roof damage also. I guarantee it. Guys, this is insane. But big branches are coming down and I'm getting pounded by the storm. Pounded, I tell you, pounded. God, holy shit. Guys, I have damage on my yard like there's no fucking tomorrow. This is all going to be uploaded to YouTube. Oh, guys. Over there's a tree down. All this is from the trees in my yard. If I had my helmet right now, I would venture a little bit out into this, but I don't. And I really don't think Environment Canada would approve of it, but if I want to be a storm chaser, I gotta do the dirty work. I would say that, but I would only because there's a hydro line right there. I really don't want to be going. Holy shit! Yeah, no, I'm not venturing out because the winds are too strong. Yeah. Hey guys, camera doesn't justify it, but guess what? This is insane. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Guys, like look at this. Holy shit. Like, I'm... Holy fuck. Like, I guarantee you this is a category F1 tornado somewhere happening around here. This is at least 80 to 100 mile winds. Yeah. I would have to estimate that, like, she's strong winds. There's no doubt about it. And it's intensifying every minute as we go. Guys, I got tree damage in my yard as we speak. Whoa, oh shit. I just spilled a glass. Guys, there's tree damage, there's big trees down, there's, you name it, yeah. There's no way in hell I'm mowing my yard right ways. There's no way in hell I'm gonna get my yard clean by the 5th to get mowed. The landlord is going to come here, investigate the damage, and I'm gonna have to do what I can do. Like, shit, look at that. That tree's almost bending over. These trees are almost bending over. Like, neighbor has a tree what went down also. Guys, it's getting stronger. It's honestly getting stronger, and it's going to get nastier. And I'm loving this. Woo! And guys, like, my power's out. Guys, this is insane. I'm kind of nervous going outside right now because of the hydro line. And because there's a transformer right on my yard, right beside my yard. So, and because the storm is violent, and because it's taking a lot of trees down, I'm kind of a little bit nervous of, like, going out. Whoa, okay, nope. Guys, holy shit. Guys, this is violent. I guarantee it, this is gonna produce hail. Like, we're in the eye of it right now, according to the radar. Just listen to the nastier. Oh, she's angry. Woo! Woo! Come on, show your ugly face, motherfuckers. Guys, this is gnarly. Gnarly, I say it. Gnarly! Woo! Guys, even my neighbor's yard, there's trees down in it. Like, guys, this is insane. Like, I'm only taking a 6-minute long video. I'm not filming this whole thing. I'll film if there's more damage to the yard or if a bigger tree comes down or something like that. I don't know. There will be a further update on it on a later date. So yeah, I will give you guys an advisory on what is all going on. So, and it looks like it's laying off. So, but I'm only thinking maybe we're in the eye of it right now as we speak. I don't think we're in the safe area right now. Guys, this is insane. I'm in my yard. I'm on my deck right now. Guys, looks like there's no damage in the front that much, but there's damage. There is damage. I think I just cut myself there, actually. So, yeah. Oh, guys, this is insane. I'm outside right now. I'm crazy. Woo! Woo! Go crazy heads. Go crazy heads. Guys, this is a motherfucker of a storm. Tree damage. Holy shit. Whoa! Holy shit. Guys, you hear that? Woo! Holy shit. I just saw a lightning strike. Camera's trying to focus on certain things also. Now I'm kind of freaking out right now. Holy shit, right in that corner there's lightning strikes. And that's not too far from me. Holy shit. Guys, this is insane. And when I say insane, I'm talking insane. Hydro's out right now everywhere in town, most likely. I'm not 100% sure about that. I got tree damage glorified. Like, you talk about tree damage, like, there's more, there's more right there. Like, I'm not even joking about this, guys. This is gnarly. Stay in home, stay indoors. Get down into shelter areas if you live in the countryside. Be safe. Pray to whoever, wherever your God is. I don't know. But pray for everyone to come out alive in this. Because we're in a nasty storm right now. I'm filming outside my house because I don't have a car. So we're in a fucking storm right now. Look at the fucking trees, guys. Look at the fucking trees. They're bending over. And that's immediately a sign of heavy winds. Tornado potentially also. There's also a potential for tornado, guys. I'm not even joking with this. But I'm like standing under my shelter thing here in my house, but still, stay at home, stay indoors, stay away from windows. Don't do what I'm doing. I'm taking a risk, and I'm doing this for you guys. I'm not doing this because of me, because I want to. Guys, right over there, there's a fresh tree, fresh limb was broken off. And I'm going to go investigate on my backyard later tonight. Well, probably tomorrow if my house is still standing. Guys, holy shit. Fucking A. Brace for impact, guys. Brace for impact. Woo! Woo! Guys, this is insane. I got tree damage glorified. I'm gonna go back into my house. Actually, yeah, I'm going again. I'll go this. I don't know which way I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see if I can get a few shots. Guys, holy shit. That tree there, holy shit. Oh, holy shit. We got tree damage glorified. The landlord has to come out and hire some tree decks because we got damage like glorified. Like, those 2 trees got hit by a lightning strike. I guarantee it. Holy. Guys, this is gnarly. This is fucking gnarly. Holy shit. You guys saw that? I hope you guys did. Guys, those trees there got hit with a major lightning strike. Major. I think there's a limb that's hanging there still. So the backyard is not safe to be in. I really wish those trees would have uprooted, actually. Just because it would have been easier to get rid of them. Or guys, this is insane. And this is going up on YouTube. Right when my hydro gets up and right when the storm passes, it's going up on YouTube. Guys, look at this. This here. I don't even want to be in my backyard right now because of the lightning. Because there's trees. Guys, I'm serious. Those 2 trees there got hit with lightning or something happened to them. Holy shit, guys. I'm just trying to keep where I'm standing. It's calm right now. Guys, this is fucking gnarly. I did not think of all this tree damage in my backyard. I knew it was going to happen. I was praying to it would not happen, but I knew there was a potential for tree damage in this yard. A lot of it. And like, guys, there's nothing but debris all over my yard right now. It looks like a tornado has went through here. It fucking looks like a tornado went through here. Like, I'm not even joking with it about it. Guys, only way I'm gonna go in that backyard is with a helmet. That's the only way I'm doing it. So, give me a moment. Oh, joy. I can't see shit. And I'm missing some good shit also. Only way I'm going in that backyard is with a helmet. Okay, guys, you might think I'm a little crazy for this, but guess what? I'm taking every safety precaution I can. I'll show you where there is light. Guys, see? This is me, right now. I'm going to take a look at my roof. The only reason why I'm wearing a helmet is because I don't want to get injured. Well, I don't want another head injury, and I don't want something falling on my head. So I'm taking precaution. Holy shit, that was a huge limb. Guys, there's even more tree damage right over there. I'm in my middle of my backyard also, right underneath this great big tree. So I'm taking a risk, guys. Holy shit, I'm getting low. Guys, this is insane. Tree damage glorified over here right now as we speak. Guys, look at that. Now I'm tripping over branches as we speak also. So, yeah. Guys, this is gnarly. Look at my neighbor's yard. She has a humongous tree down. And it took the fence out also. Holy shit, I'm right now in the open, guys. Like, my neighbor lady is lucky. She's lucky. It took her fence out also, guys. No, I'm not going to go talk to her. I'm going to talk to her off camera. I'm not going to talk to her with the camera rolling. So, I'm not cruel like that. But I will be getting some shots of it. Holy shit. I'm curious if it uprooted it. Like, there's tree damage over there. There's tree... Holy shit. There's sirens going off right now as we speak. But Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Hey, guys. Right now, I'm by a tree line. I know that's probably not the safest, but I don't... Like, this took out, like, guys, I can't even get a good shot of this right now. Only because, like, there's nails. Like, look at this. It took a great big tree out. And I know she likes her trees. Like, holy shit. And that thing never got any damage. That thing looks like okay. Guys, this is a motherfucker of a storm. She pounded us. She pounded us with a glorified Taylor. Like, look at this. Tree damage over there on the next tree over there. Like, look at this evergreen right over here. Look at the two evergreens. Holy shit. More tree damage. I didn't even see this before. Tree damage glorified right here. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this. Two evergreens right there. Down. The gods of Mother Nature have spoken again. They like to warn us. Mother Nature likes to tell us smarten the hell up, don't they? I'm now curious what is happening in Morden Park. You know what, guys? I'm gonna get ready and I'm venturing out. So I'll be back with you guys in 20 to 10 minutes.